He's asking if you use your hands. Shall we put the rest away?
Yeah.
All right.
Good for me, you're done now, so
Arthur, leave it.
Actually, did you get him to paper, scissors, rock to choose the tables?
Just chose our table.
Right. Maybe if you did that instead, and then winner gets to have a better luck, it doesn't guarantee success.
Nah.
No, you okay with this?
I'm okay with my table.
All right, he's okay with this table.
What is the song?
I'm not sure.
It's a romantic song.
Very romantic.
Do our teams go now?
I almost died from pain.
I heard.
So no, he was trying to hit. Just don't do it. Where's my straw?
You bend your straw, it's gone forever. Ha ha ha.
I need a straw.
Nobody else.
You need a straw? You have to sit behind the red line and get your straw. Wow, you better win. Yeah? Okay. Uh-huh. Ada, you better win. Actually, you know what? I take that back. You better lose. You better lose. Yeah.
If I win, I'll give you the plate.
Excellent. You give it to me.
Alliance. Where's my people?
What the hell? What's wrong with you? Whoa.
Hey, Moses, I'm black too.
What? No, you're not. Chloe, do you have a straw? Are you going to get a straw and play? Yeah, come on, Chloe.
Go, keep your team.
I will capture whoever drops theirs first. Sure, people, it's a race of the ping pong ball. All right, no cheating, no cheating. Nathan, I saw you doing something to that tennis ball, man. Sorry, did I say tennis ball again? I meant ping pong ball, sorry. Oh my God. Don't look at that. Hey, don't go in there. That's because he's going in there because you did.
Oh my God.
Azaria, don't cheat.
I didn't see someone blew it off.
You're affecting the starting line.
Shut up.
Yeah. It really is. All right, you gonna call it? You gonna call it? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, are they allowed? Hold on. I have one question though. Are they allowed to tamper with other people's ping pong ball by blowing on it or not? That's a not.
Hey!
No, as long as you don't lean into it. As long as you don't lean, you have to blow while standing upright. No. That's leaning. You're supposed to stand upright.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, upright. All right. Is that okay? Okay. All right, call it. Alex, not before the game begins. All right. Call it. No, don't blow yet. Listen. Oh, it did not stop. Oh, Azaria, yours is bouncing. No, bounced out. It has to stay in. Yeah, nice drop. Make it a nice drop. And oh, Ada's one stopped. So Ada won. No. Nah, she won first. I know. Next one. Get it ready. You were very close. You were very, very close. 400 over there. Got you. 400.
You didn't respect at all. Yeah, because I know you had a feeling him was
No, I do not tamper with it.
I'm on the wall.
Oh, that's a drop. Reset, restart. Oh. That one was first. The green one was first. Yeah. All right, 400 over there. Ada, that was great, but yeah, not this time. Hey, let me know when it's my turn. Where's my team? Let me know when it's my turn. No, I'll fix it. Keep it straight.
2, 1, go!
Oh! Move on. Oh! There's a winner here. Nice. Thank you. Now, just so you know, Mania made up this game. Awesome game. That's what we teach our children at Pride Lands. How to create games. How to enjoy doing it. How to have fun. How to go home and recreate it using any resource. This is what she came up with. Oh, and she's one of our interns. The youngest one, in fact. You better win this. Yeah, better win this. That's right. Yeah, we got 400. Yeah. All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right. Oh no, that went too fast. Fenella, that went too fast. Oh, it fell out. Keep going. Fenella, go. You have to be quick. It has to stop in the hoop. Nice and gently. Oh, it's out again. Oh no. Hold on. Ah, we win. We win. Yes. 800 over there. Try. My team is winning.
Okay, is that your starting player? Noah, you first.
My turn.
Go! That one! The same!
I'm not done.
That's 800!
Ping ball.
Ping pong. Ping
Ping pong
pong.
for my
You
one.
gotta do your game. You gotta do
game?
your game.
Actually, we've never done ping pong as a game before, like a competition. Yeah, I'm happy.
Keep these tables
I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy with that. No. Ladies and gentlemen, our top dogs, those who got points, here they are. Well, one of those who got points, because I was close, so technically I got points too.
He's not ready.
Yeah, it was very ready. Yeah, it's ready to go. I want to take them down. Hey, Jose, blow it really hard off the table.
Jose, fellas.
No, not you. You be gentle and just get it in. Ada, I'm not going to give you advice.
1, go!
Nice, nice, nice. Oh. Oh no! Grab it and go. Oh, Ada is very clever and she got it. She's just too good. She's just too good. So another 400. Who are you stealing from?